Hi, in this video we're going to talk about how to use the command line in the batch simulation you're seeing. Let's first open any one of the sample file. Let's just add in this body dynamics sample 37, sample 38, the body dynamics. And because there are some of the dynamics enabled, so it's very good for it demonstrates the simulation. Just imagine that if your scene contains tens of the thousands of agents and the frames contain a lot of them, so you need to render that in the batch mode instead of the current machine. So you need to do some setup. Let me introduce how to do that. The first step is the run the simulation and see is that everything you need. So this is very important. And the second thing is you need to specify the frame range, for example, the 150. So you want to create the frame from the first to 150. And in the cache tool, you need to put the directory and the name of this cache. And we are going to create the cache on E drive ABC. And let's just open that, the E drive ABC, and let's create a new folder, the batch scene. Okay, and just copy and Control C and Control V, and the name is test, the whatever. And you can just make some frames of for test it. For example, let's click to make agent cache, and we hit the EXE. And enable the agent cache. You can see that this is okay, so that this file is ready for simulation. Please just disable that. And at this time the frame range is fixed, it's fielded, and the folder and name is correct, and just keep do not enable this. And then let's just save the thing as for example the sample, the ACE75, the batch scene test 1. Okay, and everything's okay. At this time, let's just open our command line and the batch simulation net, D drive, okay, and CD. The program files, the Autodesk, and you can click the tab key for the auto fill, for example the Maya, and click tab the third time, and here the bin, and hit enter. So we're going to this folder. This the program file Autodesk Maya 2014 and the bin. And inside of this, there's the Maya batch, and -h. Let's see that whether this existed. So you can see that the h is help. The list of the options has been displayed, and we can open our document and see that there's a render the agent cache command line, the batch caching here. You can see that we listed every detail, and you can refer this command from this place, the Maya batch. If we are in the Windows, we need to fill the Maya batch and the file name and dash command, and please don't forget the quote. And let's do that. Batch quote, the file name. The file name should be the full path. So let's just find this out. And E drive my army sample, and scenes D1, we saved it, and let's first Control C and copy the path, the paste, and fill the file name F2, the Control C and the paste, and then dash command. This should be mcd batch the agent cache. Copy this, and here put right here the paste, and let's run this command. You can see that it is star, and you can see that E drive ABC and the batch simulation, the cache has been created just like this. The cache has been created in the batch mode. That is cool. And inside of the scene, if you just close and reopen that, the batch simulation test, you can see that if you place your agents, there's no cache working, and let's just directly enable that, because this cache has been created in the batch mode. Everything should be fine. You can see that your agents can play back interactively in the timeline. So this is the result of the batch simulation. Okay, this is an introduction for how to use the command line to simulate your scene. Thank you for watching. See you next time.